Friends, we all want to learn so many things in our life. We want to develop a new skill. If we are a student, we want to learn a new chapter, a new subject, and most of the time we fail in our attempt. It is not because we don't put the effort for that. It is not we don't have the right strategy for that. Most of the time we fail because we don't understand the learning pattern. In our mind, the strategy, whatever we have planned, or we think like whatever the pattern it will follow, it is totally different in reality. And because of that, without understanding the pattern, we try and we fail. So this video is very important, in which I'm going to discuss with you what is the learning pattern. So please watch it till end. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, share it with so many of your friends, and press the bell icon to get the notification. So let's get started. We all want to learn a new skill in our life. Time to time we have a desire like to learn some new languages, to develop a new skill, to learn some new dishes to cook, to learn to play some musical instrument. We all want to learn something new, and it happens to everybody. But whatever the pattern in our mind about the learning, it is totally different. And what exactly we thought, like if we start putting the effort, if we start giving time to develop some skills, the result will also come in the same proportion. Or technically we say, if we want to represent it graphically, we think the effort time graph, like whatever the skills we are going to get and we are putting the effort, it will always be a linear increasing type graph. Or the second pattern which is in our mind, it is like initially we will get very good success, and after some time when we are going to very close to the mastery level, then it will be stagnant, and after that we will not see any progress in our skill set. So then in our mind we follow that one, and we think like the same pattern it will happen to us also, and in the same pattern we will get the result also. But it doesn't happen. Even it was not happening with me also. And I was also getting frustrated time to time when I wanted to learn something new, where I wanted to develop some skill, but the desired result was totally opposite of my expectations. So most of the time I was thinking like maybe my approach is little bit different. I'm not moving in the correct direction. I was changing the direction, but again the same pattern was getting followed, and again I was getting failed. I was not able to understand what is the problem, and no anyone was ever ready to explain me what is the problem, because maybe they also don't understood all these things, or they don't know. So I was also in the same zone where I was thinking like developing a skill requires something miraculous thing. I don't know what skill is required, till the moment I have read one very fantastic book, that is Mastery. Yes, the book name is Mastery, and the writer is George Leonard. It's a fantastic book, awesome book it is, and I have just finished, I think just 2-3 months before this lockdown. So when I read this book, I learned a new learning curve in this. I learned so many things in this book, and he has discussed 6 different principles also in this book, what is the learning pattern. But that I will not discuss in this video, that I will discuss in the next video. Today I am going to share with you the learning pattern. What is the pattern when we learn something which is getting followed? And this is amazing. When I saw this pattern and then analyze it, I found it is 100% correct, and it happens to all of us whether we know it or not. So better we should understand it, so that whenever we are next time when we are going to learn something new, or when we are going to learn some new chapters, at least this pattern will be in our mind, and we will keep doing, we will keep putting our effort in the correct direction, so that we will get the desired result also. So what is the pattern? He had shared a curve, a graph in that is, he said the mastery curve, which I'm going to show to you. And this mastery curve is very true. When, for your better understanding, I have divided it into 5 different zones. So let's understand it. Zone 1 represents like when you start putting effort to learn something new, to develop some new skills. Initially you don't get the success, initially you don't get the desired result. You keep doing it, and after some time you reach at level 2, you reach in the zone 2, where you get a sharp increase in your outcomes. You learn so many new things and you reach at new level. You are reaching at a new level, level 3, and when you are reaching a new level 3, you are expecting like it will keep growing like that. Since I am putting the effort in the right direction, so it will keep growing like that, but it doesn't happen. After reaching at level 3, suddenly you will see a decline in your outcome and you are frustrated at that moment. You don't understand, but still you push up yourself like, okay, no problem, I will continue. And for time being you are continuing, and then you are going in the zone 4, that is the zone of plateau. You don't understand why I am in this zone, and so you are frustrated. You give up most of the time and you think, because I have already achieved level 3, so why I am coming to level 4? I'm not able to maintain my momentum, I'm not able to maintain the outcome. So you get frustrated and then you give up, and that is the main reason why we fail in most of our efforts. It is not we don't put the effort, it is because we don't understand the pattern. So if you are consistent with level 4 for time being, for some more time, then again you will see a sharp rise in your understanding, your sharp rise in your outcomes, and you will go to level 5, and again you will reach at a new high. You will be there for time being, and then you will find a decline, a slight decline in level from level 5, and again you will achieve one plateau, and then the same cycle will keep repeating, and it happens to all of us in everything whatever we learn. So better we should understand this pattern, so that next time we are going to learn anything new, at least this pattern will be in our mind and will not be feeling and will not be trapped and will not feel low when we are moving in the zone 4, or when we are achieving, or when we are moving in the plateau zone. So after reading this book, after analyzing this graph, I thought, let's analyze my whole life, or let's analyze the students to whom I am teaching, how they are learning, whether they are following the same pattern. So without saying them, I started observing, and I found it is 100% correct. Even it happens to me also. I will give one example. Like, I thought to do some push-ups on a daily basis, like around 50 to 100 push-ups. So initially I was not doing anything, so I started doing it. So I have tried it multiple times, but I was not knowing the pattern, so I was always getting failed. I was not able to reach to the level of 50 or 100. So what exactly happening? So I thought I will follow the pattern, I will observe it. So initially when I started, I was able to do 5 to 7 push-ups, and I continued doing it for few days. After few days I was at a new high. I was reaching till 12. After 12 I was also able to continue for few days, and then I reached to 12 level. Then all of a sudden I was not able to do the 12 push-ups also at the same time in a single stretch. I came down to 8 or 9, I think, and then I was getting frustrated also, like I am not able to increase, maybe my body is not supportive, and maybe I don't have that strength. But as I knew the pattern, so I keep doing it. So after few days I was able to do 15 to 17, 18 push-ups. Again a sharp rise I have seen, I have observed. So I understood, okay, this is the pattern. Then I keep doing 18 for few days, and after few days I was again came back to 14 or 15 push-ups a day in a single stretch. Then again I was in the zone of plateau. I keep doing 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, and then again after few days when I was continuing doing it, I saw an immediate increase, and that I was able to achieve 23, 24, 25 push-ups in a single stretch. So I understood this pattern, and I was able to understand, okay, this is the reason when I was giving up, when I was in the zone of plateau, I should not give up. I should continue if my approach is correct, if I'm moving in the correct direction. If I continue for time being, when I'm zone of plateau, then what will happen? Again I will get a new high, and after that new high, it is not like it will be keep growing like that. So this book is very, very useful. The link of this book I have given in the description, so please go through it. If you want to purchase, you can click on that. And the next after few days I will make a video on the 6 skills which he has developed or which he has discussed in this book. So I will make a video on it. So sure, I will share all those learnings, whatever I learned from this book to you. In the meantime, if you want to read this book, you can click on the link below in the description and purchase it and read it, and share your views with me. And please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. So we'll meet you in the next video and learn something new. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.